Hey guys, welcome to our channel, Eat with Snoop and Jay.
How y'all doing? I'm Snoop. This
I'm Jay. So, welcome to our very first video. So, what we have today is that we have some fried chicken that I cooked, some baked chicken that he cooked, some fries. I got some sweet and sour sauce that I made.
Woo.
Got some hot sauce.
No, we don't get it together.
And some ranch. And, of course, I gotta have a drink.
And these bad boys right here, can't forget the fries. You gotta have the fries.
So, let's get started.
Go ahead, baby, jump right on in. What you got going on now?
What you think? Ain't nothing like homemade.
She had me, but I couldn't even get the answer out. How good is it? It's good, baby. Oh, wait.
Oh my God.
Take the fried dip in some of that homemade sauce. Catch the drip, follow the drip, follow the drip. Off the chain. Yeah, baby. It's real good.
Smells my sauce.
I'll put some hot sauce on it. With chicken without hot sauce, right?
Gotta have the spiciness.
Well, it's that fried chicken right there. Yeah, homemade. Man, see the crust on them? Snap some of that off for y'all. Come on, baby, get some of that. Follow the drip.
It's crazy, y'all.
I ain't crazy. She always say I am, but I don't see why. And this one right here, it's that baked chicken with the onions on it. Ooh wee, onions getting away.
I love me some onions, honey.
Get some of that hot sauce, baby. Put some of that hot sauce in there.
That looks good.
Go ahead and try that out. Let me know. Did I do it, baby? Did I do it?
Oh yeah. You did do it.
Cold-blooded.
Crazy ass. It's sweet and sour sauce so good.
Ain't it dope?
Because I was not about to go to no Chinese place just ask for some sweet and sour sauce. When you can make it at home.
Where you got cats and dogs.
You stupid.
You seen the other video where the dude came from behind the Chinese restaurant with a shaved cat? He went in there and he was like, "This is y'all serving?"
No, I ain't see that.
The customer was like, I want my money back. Give me my money back.
That's why I would have.
I ain't paying for this shit.
That's why I would cook it at home.
Yeah, because you never know.
You don't.
Well, I don't remember that time. I don't remember last time I had Chinese food.
When I cook it.
Oh, yeah. I'm talking about at the restaurant, baby.
Oh.
Talking about that back door food.
You stupid. And for people who like cigarettes, I get the variety pack. Just the peach one. It's really good.
I go a little darker. Gotta have that Modelo, that El Negra.
Nobody want that Modelo.
Don't nobody want no fruit juice.
Don't be a hater your whole life. Crazy ass.
Where you gonna go? Just go. I ain't crazy. You say I am. But I ain't.
He crazy.
Knowing that's her.
That's
Baby, this chicken's so good.
It is.
Go ahead and get you some of that. Bam. Y'all just don't understand.
No.
Hey, it's good, ain't it?
It's the life.
With French fries.
No, fries is good.
All that sauce on there.
We ain't even put no ranch on her yet. Let's put some ranch on her.
See, we've been fooling with that homemade sweet
and
and
sour
sour sauce. When you had no time for no ranch.
It's good.
So live. Get some of that. Share the well. I ain't crazy. Juicy.
Ew.
So,
They're good. And if you guys would like the recipe for the sweet and sour sauce, just comment down below, and I'll give it to you guys. It's so good. I think it's better than the Chinese people.
I've been looking at my fingers the whole video. Say, know what it is when them fingers get licked on, man.
It's finger licking good.
That's some good sauce.
Yeah.
Tell you a little story about us.
Go ahead and tell them.
We grew up in the same church together. Grew up, so we known each other since kids. And
Real kids, like 7 to 8 years old kids.
so, going on 5 years ago, we saw each other again. And I saw her at her job. I was just going in there for a 12-piece spicy tender from Popeyes. Can't go wrong with that spicy tender. So, when you talk about somebody that was glowing, woo, and like, pow, pow, I'm like, yeah. So, ever since then, we engaged, getting married 2019. I wouldn't want to be with nobody else.
Oh, he ain't gonna be with nobody else.
Y'all heard that. Told y'all she crazy.
I ain't crazy. I just get even. That's a different story. He used to pick on me in church, though.
No, I did. She pulled my braids and kicked my church shoes. I'm just like, what you kicking on my shoe for and pulling on my braids? If you like me, tell me you like me.
But I was young at the time, so I feel like I thought he wasn't gonna like me because I feel like I wasn't pretty enough. That's how I was feeling when I was younger. And plus, we used to be in our dresses with the little ruffled socks with our pigtails, with the barrettes and knickerballs and bows and stuff. And then sometimes he used to come in church with those long red tees. Those long tees. Remember that song, Yup, in My White Tee? That was him.
Y'all remember them tall tees when they used to come down to your knees?
I think everybody used to have those, baby.
Everybody.
You can get them from the gas station.
Anywhere.
Anywhere.
See, but she didn't have pigtail. I don't know if y'all remember. She had this side ponytail. Oh, man. It used to drive me crazy. I love them side ponytails.
I hated that side ponytail.
Then they had them church socks with the ruffle all around the the bottom of it.
I hated those too. Man, the chicken is so good though.
We got them going both ways. You put the ranch on there, baby. That's real good.
It's real good.
Some of that, baby. Get in there.
It's my hot sauce on it.
Onions.
That ain't good, honey. Look, I keep on dipping in sweet and sour, so I keep on forgetting about the ranch.
That's how good that sauce is. See, I call it the sauce. When something that good, it don't get 2 parts. It get 1 part. Like the sauce. It don't get sweet sour sauce. The sauce.
Crazy.
Because it ain't not the stove.
Sure ain't. And it's real simple to make, you guys. So ain't no need to go to the Chinese place and spend $3 to $4 on some sweet and sour sauce that you can make yourself with the ingredients you already got at home. And it's better, I feel, than it is in the store.
Hell yeah, dude. Good chicken. Show here, bro. Show here, woo. And get some of that skin. See that skin? That's good quality fried skin.
Man.
You think about going to KFC or anything like that, do it yourself. Cause this him, what she did to that flour before she dunked that chicken in it, ooh-wee. If you understand, you'll do it yourself. Get some of that, let me see. What that mixture of that ranch gonna do with it.
It's so good, baby.
Man, you so crazy.
I ain't crazy. He always called me crazy. But I ain't crazy, that's him.
I ain't never been crazy. This chicken's so good.
Woo! Wow, it's so good.
Ain't nothing like a homemade recipe.
At all.
I'm trying to tell you.
Just really bring back my memories from when my mom used to cook, especially like on Sunday dinner.
Like that. Like I said, if it ain't homemade, might as well don't even do it. If you ain't gonna do it right, don't do it at all.
Right. Because Mom used to make sure we was eating. I used to be so happy when she used to cook fried chicken. Make sure I had my hot sauce ready.
And that's what this tastes like. A little piece of home. Fresh out of Mama's kitchen. And always remember, kiss the cook. You got to.
Woo. I am getting full. Just a little piece of chicken. So you guys comment down below. Let us know what you guys think, or what you like to see next. Us cook or eat.
Right.
Just comment down below.
Cause we can do it all in the kitchen. We don't only eat together. We cook together too.
Chef Boy or Snoop.
It's Chef My Lady and the J. She usually the main one cooking.
I am.
I get in there sometimes.
Sometimes.
Most of the time, like, baby, you gonna cook that tonight? And so it's smelling good. Wait until y'all see my favorite, though. Can't tell y'all what it is. But until next time.
I'm Jay.
I'm Snoop.
And thank you guys for tuning in. See you next time.